Hi, my name is Pavlo Foutidis. I'm one of the co-founders of Aurik. But I have great privilege. And my privilege is that I get to work with mid-tier business owners, not only in South Africa, where we're very well established, but also in the United Kingdom, the United States, and Northern Europe in particular, where we have a really exciting and growing client base. What's exciting about it is that I see the differences between those that grow and those that don't. And I start to see trends, and I start to see different ways of approaching very similar challenges, but in different economies across all those domains. Now, here's the thing. Despite the fact that there's a massive challenge with energy, there's a massive challenge with inflation, with interest rates, with skill shortages, there's massive uncertainty politically, economically. In other words, the environment is in a complete mess. What blows my mind every time is to see the differences between those companies that are growing and those companies that aren't in the same industry and the same size. And what sets them apart is two things. The first is mindset. It's remarkable how the right mindset, or a different pair of lenses through which you see the environment you're building your business in, can have a fundamental impact in terms of how you build that business. The second is the design of the business. The way that businesses worked effectively over the last 10, 15, 20, 30 years. In other words, the way that we are taught to build businesses, whether it be through universities or colleges, is fundamentally different to the way that I'm seeing businesses successfully built, garner and achieve their success. There are two things we've got to get right. Number one is our attitude and mindset. Number two is a smart way to build a business that can support the decisions that you need to take faster than ever before to capture growth. Please come join us at the event that we're going to be running. 2 will be in person, 1 will be online, and I really look forward to meeting with you and sharing all the lessons that I have seen and gotten working across over 150 businesses in all these environments that I've shared with you. Hope to see you there.